Seth, with respect to the white embodiment of structural racism, can you talk a little bit about how you became conscious of it and what really motivated you to get in the fight to change those structural racism?
So my kind of waking up point was in the early 2000s. I was in AmeriCorps in Baltimore, and we were at an inner city school in East Baltimore tutoring second graders with reading. And my experiences there, and we got to school one day, and they had us go and guard the doors, and we didn't know why. A woman had been murdered, and the body was on the playground. And they had to cross the playground to get to school. And so this was a huge awakening for me that there's inequality here that I didn't know existed. And so I felt something there within me that sat dormant until I got to graduate school and met Chris. And through our friendship, race was always on the table, always something we could talk about. And we never judged each other in our questions and interactions. And I thought about it mostly in terms of my own self-edification, and would ask Chris about his experience because I knew there was something I needed to understand that I didn't get, I couldn't see. And he graciously put up with all of my ridiculous questions and helped me to learn how to see race. And then also pointed out that I think about race a lot. He said, at one point he said, you know, Seth, you think about race more than any other white person I talk to, more than any other white person I know. And so for me, that was being in spiritual formation. That's a clue, right? That's a clue for discernment that this is something that's really a part of me in a big way. And so that precipitated a shift to focusing more intently on this, making it not something that's just for me, but something that's part of my education and something that I can then bring into the world. Mm-hmm. So.